Good morning dear students. In previous video we have learnt the conversion of rupees into paise. Today we will learn how to convert paise into rupees. So the chapter is the same, the junk seller, and topic conversion of money. And what we will learn today? We will learn how to convert paise into rupees. Dear students, as you know, when we want to convert bigger unit into smaller one, we will multiply. But today what we want to convert? We want to convert smaller unit into bigger one. Means we want to convert paise into rupees, and we have already learnt that when we want to convert smaller unit into bigger, we always divide. And here, because 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise, so we will divide by 100. Okay, but today we will learn one another interesting method of conversion also. So the second one method is, when we want to convert paise into rupees, what we will do? We will count 2 digits from right and put a dot. What we will do? We will count 2 digits from the right and put a dot there. After that, we will put rupee sign at the beginning. Okay, we will write symbol of rupee at the beginning. Okay, so we will solve the given sums with these both methods. Okay, first question is, we want to convert 1900 paise into rupees. As we know, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So what we will do? We will divide the given amount of paise by 100. So we will divide 1900 by 100. Okay, we will show working this side. 1900 divided by 100. 100 ones are 100. We will subtract 0, 9. We will put down this 0, and 100 nines are 900. 100 nines are 900. So we will subtract again and we will get 0. Okay, this is our quotient and this is our remainder. Dear students, quotient will be rupees and remainder will be paise. So when we will divide 1900 paise by 100, what we will get? We will get 19 rupees and 0 paise. This is the long form of money. Now we will write this amount in short form. So what we will do? We will put rupee symbol and 19.00. This is our answer. So when we will convert 1900 paise into rupees, we will get 19 rupees as our answer. Now we will solve this sum with the second method also. And what was that? We just put a dot after counting 2 digits from right hand side. Means we will count 2 digits from right hand side, 1, 2, and then we will put a dot here. Okay. I am solving this here. What is given? 1900 is given. So 1 or 2. 1, 2, and then we will put a dot here. What we will get? We will get rupees 19.00. This will be our answer. So with the help of first method we got the answer rupees 19, and with the help of the second method also we got the same answer, that is rupees 19. Now we will solve one more sum, and here what we have to do? We have to convert 3796 paise into rupees. As we know, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So we will divide 3796 by 100. We can show working this side. 3796 divided by 100. Okay, 100 threes are 300. We will subtract 9, 7. We will put down this 6. 100 sevens are 700. We will subtract again and we will get 96. So when we will divide 3796 by 100, we will get 37 as a quotient and 96 as a remainder. And as I told you, quotient will be our rupees and remainder will be our paise. So what will be our answer? Our answer will be 37 rupees 96 paise. And we will write this answer in short form, rupees 37.96. Okay. So when we will convert 3796 paise into rupees, we will get rupees 37.96. Now we will solve the same question with another method. And what we will do? We will simply put a dot after 2 digits from right hand side. So what is given? What is given? 3796 paise is given. Okay, we will just count 2 digits from right hand side, 1, 2, and put a dot. Then what we will do? We will put symbol of rupees first and then we will write the answer, and this will be our answer. So you can see that both the answers are same. So we can use any method to find out the answer. Now we will solve one more question, but this time we will use only the second method to solve this question. Okay, what is given? 56 paise is given. 56 paise is given, and according to the second method we have to count 2 digits from the right hand side and then put a dot. Okay, because nothing is here. So what we will do? We will put 0 first, then dot, and then 5, 6. Okay, and how we will write answer? First we will put the symbol of rupees and then we will write this answer, 0.56. Okay, because we have no rupee, so 0.56. Okay, now we will solve one more question with the second method only. Okay, here what is given? 1090 paise is given, so we will count two digits, 1, 2 and put a dot. And what will be our answer? Our answer will be rupees 10.90 paise. Okay, so dear students, like this you will try to solve the given sums in your notebook. Have a nice day. Thank you.